Welcome back, everybody, guys. Welcome back. Trading Apex Trader funding account, trading Nasdaq, scalping Nasdaq with my 8 funded accounts. There are gonna be much more tomorrow. Hello, Tomato. Hello, Tomato. Hello, everybody. We are 1 minute in advance somehow. No, I'm delayed, but I need to check my levels. 142 is the level I have here below. Then at 70. At 78, what is this level? Gonna remove it. Then I have another level at 246. Good morning, Mufti. Good morning, everyone. Where the fuck? Ah, we're here. 20,078 I have. That's good. And then I have 20,017. 20,017. So many levels. Somewhere there. And then 20,078. Then nothing below. Okay. Nothing below. So I'm going to remove this one. 19,000, 20,017. So I'm going to remove this one and remove this one as well. Yes. Hello, everybody. Welcome back, guys. How it's going? I have to put the opening print level. That's it. Opening print level is there. We're going to check what is my copy situation. Working orders. Maximize. I need my working orders. I need to put if everything is working correctly. Copy trading. By the way, guys, so I got my evaluation accounts reset. And yesterday I did this. Yesterday I was at ready to go to sleep. And I was like, you know what? This thing is bouncing. It's finding the 20,000. I'm going to go long. And I went long with many evaluations. 8 evaluation passed. So from tomorrow, guys, we're going to have 16 PAs. 16 PAs. Is going to be, tonight I have to spend $1,000 on activating these evaluations. 16 PAs tomorrow, guys. It's going to be an expense tonight, but it's going to be worth it. We're moving to the next level. 16 PAs is my record, by the way. It's literally my record. Never had so many PAs. It's going to be interesting tomorrow. So what? Okay, hopefully my PC does not crash. In the last period, it has crashed a few times. Good morning, Redwan. Good morning, guys. Let me see as well the stock, what they're doing. Nicely pushing Apple. How's the heat map? All red. Okay, only MD is green, guys. Everything is red. Tesla selling off. But the rest, Apple is kind of, there is a gap at least. I'm looking. We might try to find a little bit of support to go to the, because it's around as well the 20,000 level. This is the opening print level. This is my next level. A bit too early for me to take a trade, but if it looks interesting, we might take it. Just give it a little bit of time. Do we have news, guys? Usually it's Monday no news, and there is news. PMI at 9:45 and ISAM at 10 a.m. What the heck, guys? Okay. That's the Monday we didn't want. Yes, tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow, 16 funded accounts with Apex Trader funding. I calculated I should be funded with 2.4 million. It's gonna be fun. That's finding some support there. I'm looking at the stocks. Apple still funding it. Only Tesla selling off, but the rest is finding some support there, guys. Definitely a lot of downside momentum in the last pre-market session. If I'd go for a trade here, 78 is the next level. Quite still interesting. I won't go to the 78, but hello, Mahmoud. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Hope you're doing great. I did a little bit of a vlog yesterday. I'm doing it today. So I'm looking right now at the possible long situation, but market right now chopping out a little bit there. Apple came back. I don't know. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Morning, active society. Yeah, this heat map is all red, only starting to turn slightly. Some green spot is coming back, but mostly is red. And but I'm looking at the stocks, how they're opening this morning. They're definitely trying to get this gap filled. So if I go for free contracts, how much is free contracts here today? Oh, that's a lot. Free contracts is a lot today. Oh, I hate when I click. Wow, free contract is a lot. Definitely is gonna be at least 4 or 5 contracts this morning. We don't have that much volatility yet. That's a beautiful hold. It's holding. Holding the opening print level, holding the MyLex level at 18. And the stocks that are holding proper for the moment, trying to get that cap fill. Good morning, everyone. Hope you spent a good weekend. Tell me about your weekend, guys. I did nothing. I mean, no, I did quite a good. I did farming on Saturday morning. We learned about natural fertilizer. That was very interesting. Then Saturday afternoon, what did I do Saturday afternoon? I went to the city. Then Sunday yesterday was a good day as well. Farming in Colombia, it's we do our best to help the best. We farm, we have to do what we have to do. Active society. We help society as much as we can. I got paid in cash, big amount of cash. Someone has to do it, right? Someone has to do it. It's not that I'm not, going against it. Of course, cash, yes, cash is king. I told them about crypto and they were like, not yet, in the future. Let's see, 4 contracts. 4 contracts made a little bit more sense. That's already, that would have been already of $200 with 4 contracts. Very interesting. Very nice. Just a bit too early. Maybe I should trust it a bit more next time. Because I saw that Apple a little bit finding support, but right now not really. It's coming back. So this push can be a little bit of a fake one, and then plumb down. So I'm giving the time. I'm giving it the time, guys. We have a lot of time. The one thing I've decided for May is find setups where I'm very confident. Don't take any more bullshit setups. Don't take a trade. Better avoid a trade than taking a trade. That I'm not sure. So that's what I'm trying right now to do for May. Because in April, I closed it slightly in negative just because I took so many times setups that were not there. How was your weekend, society? How was your weekend, Abdel, Mahmoud, Mufti, Redwan? What did you do? And Tomato? Did you go to, did you spend time with family, friends? Did you trade? Did you trade also crypto on the weekend? Are you these degenerate people that need to trade 24/7? Redwan, Active Society, beach, barbecue, that's very nice. Fishing, that's a fishing barbecue. Redwan parting, this live is seen by my family, so they will text about your mom. Spend time with family, that's good. And I would love as well to fish right now. a nice fishing and then barbecue when you, oof, that would be amazing. We're still holding there, pushing. What? Well, yeah, will be. I love fish, guys. I love fish. Man, my brother has been working for 24/7 for a year. Catch everything right off the beach. That's the best. Truth, bass. That is the name of some fishes. Pompano. That's some strange name you have there. Pompano. Whiting. Some strange name. I don't know, guys, but you should change the name of your fishes. Apple selling off, Amazon selling off right now. Tesla still continuing to the lower side. So be careful, guys. Who knows that this is gonna be just a fake bounce on the 20,000, getting all these buyers, and then boom, we're gonna freaking sell off all day. I'm looking at the stocks. Tesla, Apple, not really finding anything. Still, Amazon on the lows. Did even on the, what was the opening print level of Amazon? Okay, now it's below the lows of the day. Okay, Amazon selling off. We don't see the balance account. That's good point. That's good point. That's good point, guys. What is it? That's a good point. That's it. Look at this right now. I'm glad it didn't take any long right now. Look at this selling off. That's beautiful sell-off there, guys. We have the news at 45. Is it a big news that we have to take care of it or not yet? Service PMI. Is it a big news, guys? Not sure. Soon a yacht with then I can fish. That is the dream. That is the dream. Trading, Apex Trader funding accounts, my yacht with my friends, having the live fishing. We trade one hour per day. We make our $10,000. That's live. That's live. We're selling off, guys. Earnings, yes. I mean, we had some earnings in the last days. What is this stock heat map? I want to see the heat map. Where do you use Apple minus 1.86%? By the way, really right now selling off brutally, and the news is coming 3 minutes. This, to be honest, I'm looking at this. This could have been a nice short here with this nice candle closing below everything, but still waiting for that news at in 3 minutes. Then I might look for an entry. That's beautiful. For 2 minutes. Yeah, bro, wait. Yeah, I'm waiting. Patience. I'm gonna be patient. I don't have to take a trade. If the only trade I could have taken until now was a little bit this one, but that was still in a risky situation. Right now, I'm looking for the idea of short. If we come back, the news is nothing, and then we come back to the lower side here, and the stocks are still selling off, then the short can be interesting. But right now, a bit of a choppiness situation. Look at that, bouncing. Oof. Oof, 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 oof. Playing with your emotions, this market today. Like Paul makes me laugh every time. One sentence of Paul: if the trade looks so good to be taken, be ready to be sexually violated. That's what Paul said. If the trade looks so good to be taken, be ready to sexually be violated. So look at that, from the lows to the highs. And news is coming in 51 seconds, so we have the VWAP here. If I take the retest, and I go for the $200 at least, is it from the retest of the opening print level? Yes, somehow around there. "26 seconds, guys. Who knows if it's gonna be a big one or not. Bloods, welcome. VWAP chat right now. Welcome, Bloods. Okay, news is out. Interesting, not much. The stocks are right now still not doing anything special. Amazon and Apple are not doing that great. So anything right now, it's a bit not certain for me. But most of the stocks, Nvidia is pushing high right now. Google is pushing high. Amazon is pushing. Microsoft is pushing high. Only Apple and Amazon. So I'm trying to be careful. We're still in a very choppy situation. I don't know if you saw ES, guys, but if you open ES, is a barcode. ES is a barcode. ES, go to the ES 5-minute chart. It's a barcode. Nothing special. Nothing special, guys. Not gonna enter long, neither short. Did you take any trades, guys? Did you take anything? Because right now, I don't see anything. Very choppy situation. ES is still weak. Nasdaq is pushing a little bit more. It's a bit of a tricky game. Tricky game. Not sure, guys. Just waiting. No, don't need to take a trade. If you're trying to force a trade, then you're doing something bad. Okay. I'm gonna have to check the chart of Apple. What is Apple chart situation? Apple to the lower side. Okay. I'm looking at the stocks. Oof. Netflix is the one that I had earnings, I see. A negative earnings. No, sorry, bullshit. And just a gap lower. Microsoft has been the one with the big earnings there. Apple still selling off. Apple still selling off, but Nasdaq is still holding. If I have to take something, I would take a short right now. But of course, too risky. Yeah. Who knows? Maybe it is the day of no trades, guys. For the moment, nothing. Okay, it's finding some push there, but not really. These 15 minutes can be a bit of a tricky situation. Yeah, look at that. It's rejecting it. Look at that short is coming there. I'm still looking at this Apple and Amazon situation. If Apple starts to find some support there, then it alone can look good. But yeah, it needs some support from some Apple direct. Right now, Google is good, Nvidia is good, Amazon is finally starting to have some higher high. But waiting for this 50 minutes range. After 10 a.m. might be more clear. Probably yes. Probably yes. Oh, sorry guys. Welcome everybody and the new people. Trading Nasdaq with Apex Trader funding accounts. I just say some keywords so the YouTube can give this YouTube live to some more people. The live is okay, guys, right? Because right now it says me YouTube, it says me it's not the best, but OBS is telling me that's amazing, so I'm gonna keep it like that. Yes, it's all good. Thank you, Mufti. Guys, yeah, see, look at this rejection of the 15 minutes range. At the same time, Apple still selling off. Very not the best situation. Not the best situation. Apple still selling off, guys. Apple still selling off. Oh, Tesla. That was a nice sell-off in Tesla. Boring price action. And if you have taken trades, good job of getting out green from this. And if you've taken green trades and you're not green, good job if you follow your execution and plan. That's the only things. Then I need a coffee, guys. After this, I need a coffee. I need a coffee. I need a coffee. Ooh, yeah, yes. Guys, tomorrow we're gonna be funded with $2.4 million. Amazon selling off, guys. Oh, that's beautiful, guys. Google is the only thing. Google, Nvidia, and Microsoft were holding at Nasdaq, but right now, guys, we are coming back again lower. And ES is as well just chopping around all the time there. This can be a little bit of a support area if you think to come back to the highs, but gonna avoid it for the moment. Down 150 on day so far. How many? Yeah, that's $156 is a good loss, my friend. Just don't have your rule respected on your red day, then you're good. Today is not easy for the moment. I need a coffee. I need a coffee, guys. I need a coffee. I need a coffee. I need a coffee. That's what I need right now. That's what I need right now. Can we make it happen? Ah, freaking hell, I did a mistake. All good, all good, all good. Still finding some support there, guys. I am looking at it. This can be a nice buy situation moment. Apple is finding a nice bounce there. Tesla selling off, but Apple start to bounce at the 200 level. I'm waiting, guys. I'm waiting, guys. This can be a good long situation, guys. It's just the news is coming in 5 minutes. So it's a bit of a tricky situation, but this is a good long. Risking, let's say, this amount on these lows and looking, oh shit. And looking at this 1-to-1, even 1.5 risk reward at these highs. That's not bad at all. To be honest, that's not bad at all. I removed one line. Yes, I removed it. That's not bad at all, guys. 1.5 risk reward there. Amazon finding support, stocks are bouncing. Could have given it some light, some try, and move my stop loss to break even at the news, because we still had time. But now that we have waited that much, we're gonna wait for 4 more minutes and 36 seconds. Still inside the 50 minutes range, guys. Still inside the 50 minutes range. We are still inside. We're still rejecting the lows. We're still rejecting the highs. And if you're trading, just be careful, eh? The only things I want to remind people here is follow your plan, follow your execution, follow your rules, and for the rest, do your best to survive on days where it's red. That's a nice push on the 50 minutes range. This was a nice buy. This was a really nice buy because stocks gave some push, but right now we wait for the news. To be honest, the news at 9:45, 10 a.m. it's a bit strong, but 9:45, even 10 a.m. they're not that much of a news most of the time. So even if you take a trade 5-6 minutes before, is not gonna give you that much of a problem if you give it the space. Look at that push, start long, that's beautiful. Yeah, I should have start long as well here. As much as true that we have to wait for news, the 9:45 and 10 a.m. news are not that strong most of the time, guys. They weak usually the range of week is something like that. Up and down, and then they go. Like this one, news at 45 here. This was the 9:45 candle news. Look at that beautiful push. Look at that beautiful push. Yeah, this long is the one that I mean. This one not that much, but this one really showed me some possibility from the stocks. Now let's see. It's no problem. One more trade missed. It's not a problem. Now I need to see. Oh, look, that's beautifully ES. ES is the one that finally came out from that horrible range at 15, 57, 55, and 650. So a 15 points range there on ES. Break retest of the 15 minutes range right now here. I'm gonna look, guys, for a retest after the news right now. The news is not even that special. Oh, we have 1 more minute. I almost messed up. I'm gonna wait 1 more minute and then see what the news does. But this is a nice 15 minutes range. Break a retest. $40 seconds. 40 seconds. We'll figure it out soon. Good luck to everyone that is long or short, whatever you are long or short, I don't care. Follow your plan. Nice breaker test there. News is coming in 15 seconds. I'm gonna see how the candles right now reacts and the stocks on the news coming in 1 second. That was a big of a news there. Right now, very pushy. Wow, that's a nice push there. Activity study is making bank there. Is adding as well. I'm looking. What is my stocks? I need to be relaxed. Above 78 level, I like it. I'm looking right now. If it give me some retest of the 78, I would like to go long. If it does not, it's peace and love, guys. This is the trade I should have taken today. This one no, because it's okay, it's news, but this one yes. Yeah, I start to be a bit too scared of the news, but I have enough time for my trades to get to until the news appears. So it's a bit of an annoying situation, but today is okay if I skip some trades. Tomorrow we do better. As much is true, guys, that it's good to wait for the news. From here to the news, there is a lot of time to take action. So right now, we just need to wait. Apple really not doing that much. Still Apple rejecting the 200s. Sorry. Yeah, I mean, it's trying to find support there, but yeah, probably today we're gonna close with no trades. Kind of annoying, but we'll see. Annoying because just I had the good idea here mostly. There is one here. This was the good trade. But it is what it is. And now let's see, maybe it's come back right now for the support area here of the 78. And we take that one. It's looking good. And if I have to take 4 contracts, that will be at the highest. It will be yes, something like that. If it comes back, if it does not come back, peace and love. We will look into it. Active society still continue adding. I think yes, yeah, it might not come back anymore. I would like this to come back at the 80s, but if it doesn't want, it does not want. Still waiting. I like the stocks right now for a continuation higher. I'm gonna look at these for longs very soon, guys. I'm looking at okay. Looking for longs. Okay. Amazon, the VWAP. Everything looks strong, at least only Apple is the weak one. Looking for these longs. Okay. Nothing is happening there. Still selling off. 15 minutes range right now there. Wow, that's some sell-off situation. Okay. I skipped this trade for the moment. Let's see if we can get the long on the 50 minutes range if it bounces here. The stocks are still holding. Long, guys. Long. And we're gonna look at a 1 to 2 risk reward here. 1.5. I like it. That fake flag breakout of Apple and Amazon still holding on the VWAP area, and as well the other stocks. So I do like this bounce idea. I do like it, yes. Do like it quite a lot. Good luck to everyone. Hopefully we're gonna make it happen here outside this trade. If not, we take the loss and we move on. Amazon did not hold anymore the VWAP. Let's see if it's gonna reclaim it, but the other stocks are still okay, but I need to be careful. Now, neither the other stocks are doing anything right now. That's some sell-off situation happening. I got stopped out. That's annoying. $234 loss to $217 on the main account. That's annoying. That's annoying. Long would looked good for me. From how it looked, the stocks looked. This long looked amazing, but not as much as I thought. So first loss for today, for this week. We're gonna wait. We might start to look for short more side, guys. Because this thing is getting weaker. Apple did not hold anything at all until now. Ooh, look at that. Active society, are you still long? Would be interesting to know. But yeah, for the moment, I will take the loss. I will take the loss. Small sides, did you do good? Still we're holding there somehow. So I got stopped out, but still holding. This can still be an interesting long, guys. This can be still an interesting long. Google is holding, Amazon is coming back again above VWAP. That can be again, guys, can be again. I might give it another shot. Let's see. I'm still looking if I can get another long. Looking at if any strength, looking to re-enter right now, to be honest. We are back again, reclaiming the 50 minutes above, and Amazon's better than before in my previous long. I'm looking at it, but the other stocks are still selling off. Nvidia were below the VWAP, Tesla is pushing lower. Still looking. Still looking, guys. I'm gonna give it a shot again. Still like that Amazon, guys. That Amazon is giving me like a nice vibe of push. That's limit to the highs. Long again. That Amazon, I like that Amazon, guys. I'm buying the strength of Amazon. That's mostly it. Out, that's very good. Out for you. If I don't like it, I'm gonna flatten it before, but that Nvidia, that's a bit of a pain. And Apple, finding support there, but we need some help from Apple. I'm gonna take it out, guys. I'm out for today. Not gonna take any more trades. Just because I don't like how the stocks. So let me don't force any more trades, and I'm gonna accept my loss. $250 is a good loss. I don't like how is the situation right now. We have Nvidia pushing lower, Tesla is pushing lower, Apple at the lows. These things can really definitely continue higher, but I'm gonna take myself out. I'm not 100%, so better to avoid any mistakes. I'm gonna accept my loss for today. It's a good loss. This is like catchable in one trade. So let's take it on the chin, and it's a better loss than having bad trading over and over and over. Mike, waiting a little to will say 927. You're waiting for to come back here. Yeah, I'm waiting right now. I'm out. I'm not gonna take any more trades. I don't like it. I'm kind of forcing trades. So I'm just looking at my emotions, and I'm like, how I'm trading, how I'm reacting. This was a good long. This is a bit okay. This was still a good long. I still liked it, but I still don't like the general stocks idea. The only longs that I really liked today was this long here. So apart that, I'm happy to be out of this situation because Apple is still selling off. Nvidia is coming lower like a freaking ball. Yes, I think yes. I'm just looking at my emotions and I'm evaluating, right? And I'm like, this trade would have been a good trade. This one was bad and it's fine. This one is okay. Yes. So I'm gonna take it. My stop loss would have been somewhere here again. So it's gonna be interesting, but yeah, I'm happy that I'm out, to be honest. Yeah. Tomorrow, to be honest, is not even one, because even this one at the beginning, I was like, okay, but it was a bit too early. This one, no, I didn't see anything. Yeah, I just need to trust myself and stop looking at that much at the news. 10 a.m., 9:45 news are not that massive big news. And if I'm in a trade and the news still has to appear, just move the stop loss in break even. But take the trade if you like it. This trade was good. This trade was fine. To be honest, in a moment I was thinking as well at the short. I didn't take it, but yeah, it's okay. I think it's a good loss. It's okay. We move on. For the moment, my closing position was right. Until it gaps past your stop on news. Yeah, I mean, yes. It can be a bit, but it's not that the news at 9:45 at 10 a.m. they make that massive. 95% of the news at 9:45, 10 a.m. are news that do not move that much in the market. Still, right now it's getting even better because Amazon is holding there, but Apple, what a pain. To be honest, I could have done better, but it's okay. I'm gonna take it on the chin, guys. Just learn and improve. Tomorrow we're gonna have 16 PAs, by the way, 16 freaking funded accounts. So hopefully tomorrow is gonna be a better day. We take it in the chin. It's a good loss. It's a good loss. $250, $500 in the double accounts. Good loss. Last week I made $700 and I get back 250. Right now it's looking much better. Right now it's looking good for longs, at least for Apple and Amazon. Microsoft and Google still holding at least both of them. But yeah, I'm gonna call it, guys. I wish you the best. See you tomorrow, and have a beautiful day, guys. Just I think it's overall I've done okay. Could have done better, yes. Could have done worse, yes. I'm gonna give myself 6 out of 10 because in the end I've done correct to take this first trade here. I've done correct as well to take this second trade here, and I've done I think correct as well to take it out because I was not right anymore in my mindset of holding these things. So I'm gonna take it out. See you tomorrow, guys. Have a beautiful day. Take it easy, guys.